Good day, everyone. Learn how to check if someone is using your PC without your permission, and it will be a very short tutorial. Please make sure you watch the whole video and hit the like and subscribe if you find it helpful. So here we need to do a right click in the start icon and go to run. This will work on Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. So once the run window is opened, now type event VWR. So it's event VWR like viewer. Once you have typed it, click on OK. Now this will bring a new window in front of you and you can maximize it. And from here, we will go to the Windows logs and then we will go to security and you can drag it like this to watch more. And here you need to check the logon thing. So you can see under the task category, you need to check when exactly someone has logged in. You can see the time and more information if you double click on that. So you will scroll down and you can see today at 6:52. At 6:52, you can see and check by yourself. Once you do a double click, you can get more information, task category, log on, like this. So this is the best way to check whether someone has logged in to your computer or not, and you can check it by yourself. You can also do a right click in the start icon, go to run, and you can type recent. So once you type recent, it will show you what exactly you have done and which file has been opened at what time. You can see the date modified like this, right? So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.